Hello everyone, my name is James Pitts, and I would like to inform Fulton County as well as the world that the Fulton County District Attorney's Office is refusing to indict 4 Fulton County employees for their malicious prosecution of me beginning on January 12, 2017. I would like to say to the world as well as Fulton County, Georgia, that Mark A. Grant, well, let me start with Kevin Holder, who is the Executive Director for the Council of Probate Court Judges of Georgia, then Fulton County Deputy Mark A. Grant and Leon Gates, as well as Fulton County Probate Clerk Roxanne Blake. Let me begin with Kevin Holder and the 2 Fulton County deputies. I was lied upon by them. They alleged that on January 12, 2017, I threatened to shoot Fulton County Probate Judge Pinky T. Toomer, which was a lie. And first and foremost, I haven't seen that corrupt judge since October 3rd, 2012, and I have evidence of that. Mind you, Fulton County Probate Court Judge Pinky T. Toomer knowingly allowed my late mother's estate to be stolen from to the tune of $7,712.99. The Atlanta Police Department did not help me. The Fulton County, Fulton County Magistrate Court did not help me. I would also state the Fulton County Probate Court did not help me. The Fulton County Superior Court did not help me. I got my late mother's bank statements on my own to prove that Ed Downs his name is Edward Downs Jr. and he is a lawyer in Riverdale, Georgia. He runs Ed Downs and Associates PC. He stole, along with my late mother's executor, James Wilburn, $7,712.99, and not one law enforcement official helped me. Well, let me get back to Kevin Holder, Mark A. Grant, and Leon Gates. They allege that I threatened to shoot this judge on January 12, 2017. Everyone, I was indicted on February 3rd, 2017. Then I was arrested at my home on February 14th, 2017, which was Valentine's Day. I was taken to the Fulton County Jail where I sat for 30 days without seeing a judge. After my bond hearing, which was March 16, 2017, I received a $21,000 signature bond. And I so appreciate the presiding judge because he did a very good job. I have no qualms about him. The judge, he was outstanding. His name is Judge Craig Schwab. He released me on a $21,000 signature bond due to the fact that nobody showed up in court, and then they also alleged that they had voice messages that I threatened to shoot Fulton County Probate Judge Pinky T. Toomer, which was a lie. And to this very day, everyone, they still have not shown up. And then I'm trying now to get them arrested, and yet, mind you, Brian Watkins, the Deputy District Attorney for the Fulton County District Attorney's Office, he works in the Anti-Corruption Division. Well, he told me it would be a conflict of interest if he arrested them or prosecuted them. Really, Brian Watkins? Can you prove that? Then he had the audacity to tell me to contact the Attorney General's office. Let me tell you something, Brian Watkins. I am not a prosecutor. Okay, that's your job. I'm a private citizen. My job is to bring the crime to you. Your job is to contact the Attorney General if you feel that you can't prosecute my case. They didn't need the Attorney General when they unlawfully arrested me with no warrants. They came, the Fulton County Sheriff's Department, the FBI, the Atlanta Police Department, they all were at my house with no warrants. Everyone, there are no warrant affidavits or even search warrant affidavits for me to read. It's public record, prove it. Nobody has warrants on James Pitts. I was maliciously prosecuted. Well, everyone, my case was dismissed in my favor on June 26, 2018. And mind you, to this very day, I have within 4 years from the time my case was dismissed in my favor to have them criminally prosecuted. And mind you, the same DA's office doesn't want to prosecute them. Hello, Fonnie Willis. Aren't you the new DA? Why are you concerned about Donald Trump? You need to be concerned about Kevin Holder. You need to be concerned about Mark A. Grant. You need to be concerned about Leon Gates. And you should be concerned about former probate court judge Pinky T. Toomer. Because my mother's estate is not the only estate that she's disrupted. I have 2 other cases that she done that too that I know of. Yes, I do. And she does, she takes your will and she will violate your will. And I have evidence of it. Everyone, feel free to look up 686 Cedar Avenue, Atlanta, Georgia 30318. That, mind you, the title on that property has been cloudy. But Fulton County Probate Judge Pinky T. Toomer allowed that house to be sold against the late Johnny Burke Sr.'s will. If you read his will, you will clearly see what he said. And I'm going to put a link on my blog for everybody to see what I'm talking about. Fulton County Probate Judge Pinky T. Toomer is corrupt. I'm glad she's gone. And I've recently filed a petition for the settlement of accounts in the new probate court to go before the very beautiful and honorable Judge Kenya Johnson. I look forward to getting my late mother's estate under control. And I'm looking forward to having Ed Downs of Ed Downs and Associates disbarred for what he did to my late mother and I. And I'm looking for criminal charges against him too. And I wonder what Brian Watkins was going to say, or even Fonnie Willis will say about that. Because, mind you, I have the proof that he stole $7,712.99 along with my late mother's executor, unappointed at the time when he did it. But nobody cares. I'm going to put the documents online after everything is done. But I'm going to certainly put up the indictment for everybody to read, because I want you to see what's been going on in the Fulton County Courthouse. It is corrupt. That place is corrupt, to the exception of the Honorable Judge Craig Schwal. I have so much respect for that judge. He needs to be the permanent Chief Judge of Fulton County. I'm not even a registered voter in the state of Georgia. But I tell you what, if Judge Craig Schwal runs for Chief Judge, I promise you, I'm going to register to vote just to vote for him. He was very respectable. I have nothing but good words for him. Thank you, Judge Craig Schwal, for releasing me on March 16, 2017 on a $21,000 signature bond because nobody showed up in court. Ever. Nobody ever showed up in court. And another thing, everyone, I want you to know this too. On the Fulton County Sheriff's Office website, even though Judge Craig Schwal said that my record should be expunged, I'm going to put on my blog. I want you all to see what's up there. I want you to see what's currently up there. And they altered my charges as well as what I was released upon. But again, this is not the first video that I'm going to be posting. But I just want everyone to know that Mark A. Grant, well, let me start with Kevin Holder. Mark A. Grant and Leon Gates are corrupt Fulton County employees that I am trying to get criminally prosecuted. Hello, Fonnie Willis. Hello, Brian Watkins. If I need to certainly continue making videos about these people, I'm not going to allow you all to treat me the way you unfortunately did the Rayshon Brooks case. The Attorney General does not need to tell you who you can and cannot prosecute. There is no conflict of interest. Do your job, Fonnie Willis. Do your job, Brian Watkins. And this is James Pitts telling you, do your job, people. You weren't voted in to ask for the Attorney General's help or the Attorney General's permission. Do your job, Fonnie Willis. Do your job, Brian Watkins. Otherwise, you don't need that job. Put somebody else in that position who will do the job of a prosecutor. Okay? Thank you, everyone. And I will certainly be posting more videos.